Hi friends, welcome to my channel Gulf Lotto. Today's prediction for upcoming Omillionaire Lotto prediction 11 August 22. 1 to 10, 2, 4, 7 and 10. 11 to 20, 12, 14, 18, 19 and 20. 21 to 30, 26, 27, 28 and 29. 31 to 40, 32, 35, 36, 37, 38 and 39. 41 to 44, 41 and 44. Previous prediction for Omillionaire draw 5 number matched. You see here 8, 9, 13, 21, 26, 29 and 44. The prediction match number is 8 matched, 9, 26 and 29 and 44. These 5 number matched. In this draw 40 to 44 maybe one number will come. (19, 29 or 39). You can select any one of this number. Maybe this draw 1 to 10 no number. And the last previous result 26, 29 or 44. This one number maybe will repeat again. Previous video I said 42, 44 on number will come. 44 came. This draw also 42, 44 on number, maybe 44, same number. Hi friends, this is only guess based on previous result. Please subscribe my channel, also press like button. 14, 36 and 20, this is new number, more chances to come. Thanks for watching. Good luck all of you.